Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to safely extend the C drive on Windows 11 without using any third-party tool. If your C drive is running low on space, this video is for you. Let's get started. Okay, so before we begin, one important thing I want to say guys, always backup your data before modifying your partition. If something by mistakenly goes wrong, you will able to restore your important files and data. You should also create a system restore point just in case you need to roll back to your changes. Okay, so now let's get started one by one. So for this guys, we are going to use built-in tool disk management. So hold Windows key button and then press X from your keyboard. So from here open the disk management. Okay, so it will open the disk management and show you the all drive available on your PC. Okay, so here you need to find out the C drive. So in this C drive, here you can get one more unlocated drive. As you can see guys, now you can extend this unlocated drive with C drive. Okay, to do this guys, just right click on your C drive and here you can get the option extend volume. Just select that option, click on next and just follow the on-screen process carefully. Okay, so before clicking on any button, just need to read this dialog box very carefully. Okay, and then click on next and then click on finish. That's it. Now it will definitely extend the C drive on your Windows PC. Okay, so few more basic method I am going to show you to extend the C drive. You need to empty your recycle bin. Just right click on your recycle bin. Here you can get the option empty recycle. Okay, just click on it. Okay, one more thing is this guys, you need to check out your download folder. Open the file explorer, this PC, go to download, and if the file was available here, download file unnecessary, just need to select it and delete it. Okay, so this will also helps you to extend your C drive. So one more thing is this guys, open your Windows settings like this, go to system, scroll down, go to storage. From here you can easily able to delete all temporary files from your C drive. Okay, here the temporary file was scanning, wait for a few minutes, extend this. Here you can get the option thumbnail, delivery optimization file. This all file was unnecessary, just select it and delete it. That's it. Okay, just after scanning process was completed, just remove the file. Okay, so as you can see guys, total selected file was 12.7 GB. It's huge. Okay, so just click on remove file. It will definitely extend your and free up some storage space on your C drive. Okay, so these are the easy and simple method. So that's it for today guys, the short and simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.